Hello friends, today's topic of discussion is DNA repair mechanism. It is a very important topic for university examination. It is a frequently asked long answer question in university examination. Also there are various types of repair which can be asked in short note. And there are a lot of MCQs from this topic in entrance examination and university examination. So this is a very important topic, DNA repair mechanism. Before going to discuss the DNA repair mechanism, first we will see the DNA damage. DNA damage. DNA damage can occur by the physical agent or chemicals, or it can be in the cell by the process known as oxidative damage by the free radicals. Okay, so it can be by the free radicals, by the physical agents, or by chemical agents or chemicals. Okay, physical agents mainly includes UV rays or X-rays, and chemicals they are mainly includes aflatoxin. It is a fungus toxin produced by the fungus grown on peanuts, aflatoxin. Then alkylating agents, hydrazines, ozone, etc. So these are some chemical agents, physical agents and free radical which causes damage to the DNA. There are four main types of DNA damage. How many? Four main types of DNA damage. First one is the single base alterations. Single base alterations. This single base alteration, it is mainly caused by deamination, depurination. Single base alteration, it is caused by deamination. Cytosine is deaminated into uracil, or adenine is deaminated into hypoxanthine. Spontaneous deamination. Single base alterations, it is caused by spontaneous deamination or depurination, deletion or insertion of nucleotides. Then base incorporation, base analog incorporation, or by alkylating agents. These are the causes of single base alterations. This is the type of DNA damage, single base alterations. Deamination, depurination, deletion or insertion of nucleotide, base analog incorporation or alkylating agents. Second type of DNA damage is two base alterations. Two base alterations. It includes mainly thymine dimer, pyrimidine dimer formation by UV light. UV light induced or UV rays induced thymine dimer formation. It is an example of two base alterations, or by the alkylating agents. It is caused by alkylating agents. Then third one is the chain breaks. Chain breaks. It is caused by ionizing radiation. Ionizing radiation. Then radioactive disintegration. Radioactive disintegration. or oxidative damage by the free radical. Oxidative damage. These are the causes of chain breaks. And fourth cause of DNA damage is the cross links. Cross linkage. It is between bases of same or opposite strand, or in between DNA and protein. Cross-link between DNA and proteins. So these are the four types of DNA damage: single base alterations, two base alterations, chain breaks, and cross-linkage. Single base alterations mainly caused by spontaneous deamination, depurination, deletion, or insertion of nucleotides. Base analogs, similar base, they get incorporated into a newly synthesized DNA molecule. Then alkylating agent. Two base alterations example is pyrimidine dimer formation, that is UV light induced pyrimidine dimer formation. Then chain breaks, it may be because of ionizing radiation, radioactive disintegration, or oxidative damage by the free radical. Fourth important type of DNA damage is cross linkage. It will be between bases of same strand or in between the bases of opposite strand, or it can be between the DNA and protein molecule. These are the four types of DNA damage. There are 5 important types of repair mechanism. We will see one by one 5 important types of DNA repair mechanism. The first DNA repair mechanism is mismatch repair. It is also known as MMR, mismatch repair. This is the first MMR. It is a mismatch repair. This is the first type of DNA repair mechanism. Second one is base excision repair. Base. Nucleotide is composed of sugar, phosphate, and base, nitrogen base. So it is base excision repair. Third one is the nucleotide excision repair. Nucleotide excision repair. Then fourth is the double strand break repair. And fifth one is the direct repair. These are the 5 causes of DNA repair mechanism: mismatch repair, base excision repair, nucleotide excision repair, double strand break repair, and direct repair. The mismatch bases, generally adenine is paired with thymine and cytosine paired with the guanine. Okay. In case of mismatch base, means if this adenine base pair with the cytosine, this is known as the mismatch base. It is not allowed during new DNA formation. So this mismatch base can be repaired by the mismatch repair. It is also known as methyl directed mismatch repair. So when there is mismatch, it repairs mismatch base. Mismatch repair repairs mismatch base. Base excision repair, it repairs whenever there is damage to the base due to spontaneous deamination, depurination, or damage caused by alkylating agents. This type of base damage can be repaired by base excision repair. Okay. Then nucleotide excision repair, it is important in UV light induced thymine dimer repair. UV light induced thymine dimer repair or thymine cytosine cross linkage. Repair of thymine cytosine cross linkage. In this case, nucleotide excision repair is operative. Then double strand break repair, it is important when there is break in the strand, break in DNA strand. It is repaired by the double strand break repair. And direct repair, it involves the repair of DNA molecule when it is caused by the alkylating agents, then dimer formation, pyrimidine dimer formation, and important is modified bases. When there is addition of modified bases, this repair is effective. So these are the repair mechanism and these are the condition when this mechanism occurs. Okay. In case of mismatch base, mismatch repair. In case of damaged base, nitrogen base, there is base excision repair. In case of dimer formation, there is nucleotide excision repair. In case of double stranded DNA break, it is double stranded DNA break repair, and direct repair in case of modified bases, dimer formation or alkylating agent. So these are 5 important types of DNA repair mechanism. Now we will see one by one mismatch repair. It is very important, and one clinical condition is related to this repair, that is hereditary non-polyposis colon cancer. Which condition is related with this mismatch repair? Hereditary non-polyposis colon cancer. Okay. It is also known as methyl-directed mismatch repair. What is known as methyl-directed mismatch repair? Why? After the synthesis of DNA, this is the template strand. This is template DNA strand. Okay. 5 prime to 3 prime. And this is newly synthesized DNA strand. There is one sequence, that is GATC sequence. And this template strand, this is, if it is T and it is C here. Okay. So this one is the mismatch base. Thymine always pairs with adenine. So this is a mismatch base here. Okay. Mismatch base. Okay. So there is GATC sequence from 5 prime to 3 prime direction, and there is methyl group in the template strand. Just after the synthesis of new strand, it remains unmethylated for some time. From that you can recognize the new strand and the old strand. This is the template. Methylated strand is the template strand, and this is the new strand of DNA molecule, newly synthesized strand. So for some time it is unmethylated. The methylation of DNA strand occurs with the help of DAM methylase enzyme. DAM methylase enzyme. So this is the mismatch base. The 4 basic steps are involved in the DNA repair mechanism. First one is the recognition. Recognition is the first step in the repair process, followed by removal of the damaged segment. First is the recognition, followed by removal of damaged segment. Then synthesis of new DNA molecule by DNA polymerase, and then ligation, formation of phosphodiester linkage with the help of DNA ligase. These are the 4 basic steps in DNA repair mechanism. Okay. So the first step here, mismatch base, it is recognized by mute S, mute H and mute L protein in prokaryote. Mute S, mute H and mute L protein in prokaryotes. Okay. But this type of damage, that is mismatch damage in eukaryote, it is recognized by C here, T here. Okay, it is recognized by MSH and MLH protein complexes in eukaryote. MSH and MLH protein complexes, they recognize this mismatch base in eukaryote. These are the protein complexes which recognize. This is the first step, recognition of mismatch. Okay. Then exonuclease. Exonuclease causes removal of nucleotide involved in the segment, or removal of damaged nucleotide. Okay. So this exonuclease causes cleavage on either side of damaged base. Okay. So this is exonuclease. It causes removal of nucleotides, removal of damaged segment of DNA on either side of mismatch base. This is caused by exonuclease. Now after this removal, there is, now this is the gap in the DNA molecule which is filled by the DNA polymerase. DNA polymerase causes the synthesis of DNA molecule, synthesis of new DNA molecule. This is the old strand, template strand. Here is the thymine, and thymine always pairs with adenine. Okay, so this is a correct base incorporated by the mismatch repair mechanism, and remaining nick, it is sealed by the DNA ligase. DNA ligase with the help of ATP. This is newly synthesized correct DNA with correct base, and this is the template strand. Got it? In the mismatch repair, the first step is recognition, which is done by MSH and MLH protein complexes in eukaryote. After recognition, exonuclease cleave the segment of DNA, damaged DNA, and it removes the part of nucleotides. It removes the nucleotide from either side of mismatch base. Okay. Now after the removal, polymerase causes synthesis of DNA molecule, polymerization occur, and then DNA ligase seal the nick. It is the nick sealing enzyme. So now it is thymine paired with adenine. Got it? This is the mismatch base. Clinical significance of mismatch repair is, if there is faulty mismatch repair, it can lead to the condition known as hereditary non-polyposis colorectal cancer, HNPCC. It is hereditary non-polyposis colon or colorectal cancer. It is a precancerous condition. Precancerous condition, autosomal dominant condition, which is due to mutation in the protein, that is MSH and MLH protein, which helps in the recognition of mismatch base. There is defective MSH and MLH protein which causes defective mismatch repair, leads to the condition known as hereditary non-polyposis colorectal cancer. It is a precancerous condition, and this person is prone to colon cancer and other cancers also, endometrial, ovarian, GIT, hepatobiliary cancers also. This is all about mismatch repair. We will see about the nucleotide excision, base excision repair, double strand break repair, and direct repair in our next video lecture. Keep watching. Thank you.